everyone. Today we are going to learn about the plasma membrane and understand why it is considered the most important protective covering of the cell. Inside every living organisms, millions of tiny cells work continuously to keep life functioning. Surrounding each cell is remarkable protective layer known as a plasma membrane. This membrane is not just a covering, it carefully controls what enters and leaves the cells, helping maintain balance and survival. As we move closer into the microscopic world, we discovered that the plasma membrane is made up of thin and flexible double layer called the phospholipid bilayer. This structure forms the outer boundary of the cell. Each phospholipid molecule contains a two important part, a water-loving hydrophilic head and water-fearing hydrophobic tails. In water, these molecules automatically arrange themselves into a stable bilayer and creating a protective barrier. The plasma membrane is often described as a fluid mosaic. Fluid because its a molecule constantly move, and mosaic because many different components like proteins and cholesterols are embedded within it. Membrane acts as a selective gatekeeper. Small molecules such as oxygen can pass easily, while larger or charged substances require special transport system. In passive transport, molecules naturally move from areas of higher concentrations to areas of lower concentration. This process requires no cellular energy. Osmosis is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane. Water travels to area where it is needed most, helping maintain proper balance inside the cell. Some substances cannot cross a membrane on their own, so some specialized protein channels assist these molecules in moving across safely through a process called facilitated diffusion. Sometimes the cell must move substances against their natural concentration gradients. To do this, the membrane uses active transport powered by cellular energy known as ATP. One of the most important example of active transport is the sodium-potassium pump. This protein pump moves sodium ion out of the cell and potassium ion into the cell, helping maintain nerve and muscle functions. For larger materials that cannot pass through channels, the membrane forms vesicles. During endocytosis, the membrane folds inward to bring a substance into the cell. In exocytosis, vesicles fused with the plasma membrane to release substances outside the cell, such as a hormone, enzymes, and neurotransmitters. That's all for today's topic. Thank you.